Hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to send money on your PayPal account through friends and family. So first, log in your PayPal account and go to the home page. Once you're there, click on either this send and request tab or just click on send right here. And then here you can now send a payment to anyone you want. So just enter their name, username, email, or even their phone number. So let's just look for someone as an example. So let's choose this guy, and right here you can choose the currency you want. I'll use Philippine peso. So just add the money that you want to send. You can also add what this money is for. So I'll just put a test, click on next. Then it says right here, choose a payment type. So it says here if it's for goods and services or for friends and family. Make sure you press for friends and family. So yeah, click on that, click on continue, and then lastly, all you have to do now is add your payment option. So you can either link your credit card or your bank account. So once that is done, you can now click on send, then the money will be sent instantly. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to send money on your PayPal account through friends and family. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.